Hello friends, and today we're going to model this tricky Apple charger for a laptop. I have the visual reference in my hands and size of it is about 8 by 5 centimeters. So yeah, let's do a square and it will be 5 centimeters. It will be our main shape here. Put it like that, and this thing is going to be this thing is about 3 centimeters. Okay, let me just adjust it on a 3 centimeters. 1 centimeter is for these things, small ones. And let's drop a 1 here. It's 2.5, so it's 25 millimeters. Badass. So I will take all these bumps and just drop them like this. Yeah, something like this. That's good. And then I will take this part and also give them a nice big bevels here, because it's basically just a bevel shape that consists of the bevels. And I think it's not just a regular bevel, it's something like a G2, because it definitely has some tension to it, and I feel like it's a bit more than G2. It's like this type of thing. Yeah, so G2 with some funky stuff. So I'm just going to extrude it on a 3.5. It's 35. And this is 1.5. So this is 1.5. It's like 15 something. Let's drop it over GV. Put it here. G like that. And let me just GZ drop it here. But that's okay. GY, let me put it in the center here. And this big bro is also going in the center here. And now I'm going to drop this one in here for some 5 millimeters, like that, like this. And let's drop some nice juicy chamfers. And we just need to end it up like that. And then do a bevel here. Like this. Okay. And I also need to do a bevels here. Just the little ones. Like that. I think they're more generous. Yeah, something like this. Even more, you know. Yeah, so they're actually closing here. I do a Shift X here. I need it to be closed a bit better. So I think I will take this, do a Shift B here. G1, this, Shift B, G1. Okay. Shift B, G1, Shift B, G1. And let me just loft it with correction on these things. Oh, I will just join it. This one is cool. Can I Shift J? Yep. G1. Yeah, if I drop G1, it's pretty much what I'm looking for. I can just correct it with this thing and I'm done. Right click to apply. And now I can Alt X it to this side. Q. Nice. Just drop it down on 5-6 millimeters. It's right after bevel, you know. I think it's somewhere here. The thing is a bit bigger than it visually looks. I think we should make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, let's just boolean them together. That's all we need to do here. Like this. Perfect. And I need to drop a nice bevel here. Like this, I think. Yep, but it's actually very sharp one, very small one. We can make it like this and be golden here. Or we can loft it if we really want to some super exact results. But I'm good with this one. Okay, let's make offset here. It's very small. And it has this thing in the center. It's just a small thing like that. Very small one. All of this. And G exit over here. I think, yeah, it's too big. Definitely too big. This one is much more reminding me about this shape. Some measurements went wrong here. Okay, and we definitely need to do some sort of a cut. So I will do it with a corner box here, like this. Okay, let me just do 1.5 and 3. Yeah, it's definitely going to be 3 somewhere here. Okay, and let me just drop it like that. And drop it like that. And let's just see cut. And let's select these edges. No, these two. And do a nice bevel here. And let's offset it a bit. Like this. There's some sort of gap there. Just H. And let's make, yeah, something like this. So it will be good. And Alt H. I'll just drop it there so there will be no visual gap. Nice. Okay. And there is a little hole on the back for the USB-C and a nice big cut in the middle. So yeah, I think I will drop the cut right now. Let it be done with the corner box. Let me do it like this. And I will just do C, cut, right click, and yep, just delete this. And let's make this central one. Yeah, you know what? I don't want to delete it, I will just make it a bit thinner inside, like this. Yeah, just to fit this stupidity. Make Alt H, boolean them together. Yeah, so I will have this part, and they have these little gaps. Perfect. I don't want to be like 100% precise here. Good. G, Y, X. Yeah, let's drop it like this. S, Y. Like this. And I will just drop central point arcs. Like this. Alt X. Go in here. Interesting. Okay, let it be like that. Let me just move this over here. And just to make it definitely in the center. For some reason it was not in the center. And let's just boolean it. Yeah, good. I don't need this. And I need to Q and T for keep tools. Because I need this thing to be inside like that. It's a little bit more over here. And it has one offset like that. Pretty generous one. and it goes there, almost to the end. And there is the little, this thing for a phone. So it's like that. Yeah, something like that, I think. Very thin one. Just hold the control if you want a super precise thing. A little bit inside there, like that. It has two corners of it, something like this. And it's QQ here. Just will add a little bell here. Good, pretty good. Okay, I want a little bevel here too. Here as well. Something over here, I think. Like 2 millimeters or 3. But I want them to be in the center, and they are not. So I will do a GZ and match it here. And they are 2 centimeters long, so let's drop it on a 1 and 2. Okay, and I think it's like 0.5 of this thing is that metal part. So I will just do a C, cut, right click. Okay, it's a bit bigger, like this. It's like this. It has pretty cool design there. Little gap there, so something like this. Should be a little bevel here, definitely. And here should be some sort of this thing. Okay, I definitely see it's a bit bigger. So I will hide it. I will take this one, Ctrl Shift Plus, GX, and move it here. Alt H, and this thing is going here. Right over here. Let me hide it. Let me just make it a bit bigger. Alt H. I will do a Q, T, keep tools. And I will make it a little bit thinner. Yeah, just to have these little gaps there. Alt X, drop it here, nice. Alt X, drop it here, Q. Here we go. This is the Apple charging device. Pretty much done here. Maybe we can drop a little bells. And just to feel better here. Yeah, like this. Just for the good sake. Okay. And maybe 2 of them over here. Just on the top of the fillet. Cool. I feel like it should be a bit bigger. Just like this. Yeah, this is much better. So I will just Q, T, keep tools. And make this one again. Over here like this. Alt exit like that. So yeah, this is basically it. The perfect asset here. You can drop some materials or left it like that. Looks pretty cool. Let me just kick some metal here. Like that. Make it dark. Or like this, yeah. Cool. Where is the second one? Here. So I will take this and drop it here. Okay, and this is going to be super white. White plastic. very rough, like that. Okay. So here you have it. Here's your juicy little charger. I hope you feel good, you make something interesting, you model every day, and you stay healthy. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye.